Welcome to the hands-on ASP.NET Web API course where you will learn creating a RESTful Web API using ASP.NET Core through a step-by-step approach. My name is Praveen from codewithpraveen.com, your instructor for this course. I had started my career at Honeywell that spanned for 10 years on product development based on C#.NET. Currently, for the last 5 years, I have been working in the security domain for an access control product based on the .NET technology. Moreover, I have published about 10 courses in Udemy on various .NET technologies. I designed this course for anyone seeking to use ASP.NET Core for your next Web API project. By the end of this course, you will be able to confidently use the ASP.NET Core Web API at your current job. I have done the heavy weight of researching and organizing the topics so that you don't need to do that. We will follow the method of implementing an API for a college management system that will help you to grasp the new concepts better by applying the learnings you gain from this course. Some of the topics you learn include an overview of Web APIs in ASP.NET Core, Web API request workflow, HTTP status codes, mastering API controller, building a new Web API from scratch, learn API return types, namely action result of T, and async await, techniques to improve your Web API project using AutoMapper, build Web API operations such as get, post, put, and delete for collections as well as individual items, implementing association APIs, and so on. As a prerequisite, basic knowledge of designing RESTful APIs and basic knowledge of ASP.NET Core and ASP.NET Core MVC is expected. In case you are interested in these topics, you can find the related courses under my profile. I designed this course for backend web developers as well as software architects who want to efficiently implement web APIs using ASP.NET Core. Check out the preview videos and hit the enroll button. With Udemy's money back guarantee, there's nothing to lose and everything to gain. Sign up now.